In today's video, you will learn to use GIMP in exactly 60 seconds, because, time is money. This is your toolbox. Select a tool, then use it on the image. Notable tools include the Move tool, Rectangle, Select by Color, Paintbrush, Eraser. Hover for a description, Status bar for more information. Layers in GIMP mean you can put images one on top of the other. You can open as a layer in the File menu. Rearrange layers by dragging. To find any command even without knowing the interface, press / on your keyboard and type in the box. You can float a selection to make it a layer. Go to Select Float, then name your layer. You have filters here like Blur and more tools in the Tools menu. Down here, you can adjust the zoom level. When you're done, go to File, Export As, and write the file name and extension. In this dialog, adjust settings. You can also Save As, which saves an XCF project file.